Tired of guessing your grams and eyeballing your ounces? Step into the world of precision with our roundup of the best kitchen scales. Whether you're a culinary wizard aiming for Michelin star perfection or simply trying to follow Grandma's cookie recipe, we have got you covered. Stay tuned as we measure up the top contenders that'll leave your cooking conundrums in the dust. Get ready to own your kitchen with accuracy that'll make even the pickiest of chefs proud. Let's weigh in on the best of the best. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5, Etexity Digital Food Kitchen Scale. The Etexity Digital Food Kitchen Scale is your go-to buddy for precision baking on a budget. Compact and convenient, this scale is ideal for amateur bakers and portion control enthusiasts alike. It promises a clear LCD display and user-friendly buttons that make it a joy to use even for kids' DIY crafts. This device impresses with its tiny size, measuring just 7.3 inches by 5.7 inches. You can easily tuck it away in a kitchen drawer when not in use. Unlike some other low-cost options, the battery life here is reliable, especially if you only bring it out once or twice a week. One of the best things about the Etexity scale is its affordability. It offers a good entry point if you're not ready to splurge on high-end kitchen gear. While its slim design means it might be tricky to read the display with wider bowls, this minor quibble is outweighed by its usability and price. It does fall short on some accuracy and durability points, but for most kitchen tasks, you won't notice. Especially for casual cooks, it works like a charm, great for everyday cooking and those fun family DIY projects. Summing it up, this Etexity model is a solid choice for anyone seeking a quick, cheap solution. Dive deeper and see why this affordable kitchen tool deserves a spot in your culinary collection. Number 4, Escali Primo P115C Precision Kitchen Food Scale. If you've been hunting for a solid kitchen scale, the Escali Primo P115C could be your best bet. This scale offers accurate readings in 1 gram increments, so goodbye to those imprecise measurements. Your cakes and bread will finally come out perfect. Embracing variety, Escali provides an array of color options like tarragon green, pumpkin orange, and warm red. You can also pick classic colors like black, white, or chrome. Each shade can effortlessly blend into your cooking space. One of the primary benefits is its long-lasting battery life. You won't find yourself swapping AAA batteries every other week. Plus, an alert flashes on the screen when power runs low. No more unplanned outages in the middle of meal prep. Display clarity is another standout feature. Numbers are easy to read, even for those with less than ideal eyesight. Also, this scale is a precise tool, guaranteeing your recipes turn out just right. Although the design is impressive, it does come with one minor caveat. The scale doesn't deal well with excessive moisture. Wipe spills quickly to keep it in top condition. Despite that small flaw, you might fall for Escali's charm. It's easy on the eyes and even easier to use. Explore more and see for yourself. Still searching for the perfect kitchen scale? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3, Penscale PS50. Penscale's PS50 is a kitchen marvel. With its ability to handle up to 50 pounds, it's ideal for bakers and meal preppers alike. Whether you're whipping up a quintuple batch of cookies or preparing for a dessert-filled quarter, this scale's elevated weight capacity has you covered. First off, that HD backlit screen is a godsend. Measurements are clear as day, saving you from the squint and guess game that many other scales force upon us. This feature alone makes a significant difference, especially when you're handling hefty recipes. Now, let's talk power. The PS50 runs on both 6 AA batteries option for the best rechargeable ones and an included AC adapter. This dual power setup allows for both portability and eco-friendliness, depending on your needs. Baking in the kitchen? Plug it in. Moving to a pop-up baking stall? Grab those batteries. What I love most about the PS50 is its robustness. I've tested many scales that tap out at lower weights, but this one stands firm. It's perfect for serious bakers with big dreams or just a lot of big batches. However, this scale's power needs might seem excessive. 6 AA batteries sound daunting, but you can rely on the AC adapter to simplify things when near an outlet. In conclusion, Penscale's PS50 strikes the perfect balance between power, clarity, and capacity. Dive deeper and discover how it can transform your baking game. Number 2. Etexity Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale. Etexity's Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale is a game changer for eco-friendly kitchens. You'll enjoy its convenience and accuracy in every recipe. Charging it with any USB-A port means you won't worry about replacing batteries anymore, saving both time and waste. One major advantage, its compact design, makes it easy to store. Slide it into any kitchen drawer without a hassle. This sleek, low-profile look keeps your kitchen clutter-free. The higher weight capacity is a boon too. You can double up recipes without any issues, handling larger amounts of ingredients effortlessly. Accuracy is the name of the game here. Every measurement hits the mark, ensuring your cooking and baking endeavors are flawless. Center your bowl for the best results, and you're ready to go. Cooking enthusiasm shouldn't be dampened by missteps. You'll find this particularly beneficial when making precise recipes that demand accuracy. One hiccup you might face is reading the display through big bowls. While this isn't a deal breaker, consider it a small trade-off for its sleek design. Unfortunately, using a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it won't work, which could be inconvenient if you're trying to streamline your cables. Overall, Etexity's rechargeable food kitchen scale stands out among similar models. Balancing eco-friendliness and functionality, it addresses both efficiency and sustainability. Ready to elevate your kitchen skills? Check out the Etexity Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale today. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale. Switching to the OXO. Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale might just revolutionize your kitchen game. This scale is a game changer for those who prefer accuracy over guesswork in their baking. The standout feature is its magnetically attached display, which slides out for better visibility. No more craning your neck around a mixing bowl to read the numbers. This has become a crucial tool, especially for those messy one-bowl recipes. Precision is another highlight. You can trust this scale to measure both wet and dry ingredients accurately. Baking batter or dough, no problem. This versatile scale handles it all, delivering consistent results every time. Durability meets style with its sleek stainless steel design. Not only does it look good on the counter, but it's also easy to clean. But what really sets it apart from other models is reliability. We've tested it with countless recipes, and it never disappoints. Not everything is perfect though. The price might seem steep, especially when comparing it to other scales. However, the old adage, "you get what you pay for," rings true here. For the features and reliability it offers, it's worth every penny. What I love the most is the detachable display. It makes baking so much easier. For anyone serious about cooking, this product is a must-have. Dive into more details and see how this gem can redefine your kitchen experience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best kitchen scales. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which kitchen scale you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.